Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hey everyone, Leo Clark here with Crest Investment Group, supporting the Flip Nerd glasses. Gotta love these. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate these glasses. Today I want to discuss a topic that I think is extremely important to everybody that is a real estate investor in whatever aspect or whatever facet of real estate investing you're in. That topic being the money topic.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by acebusinessfunding.com.
Everybody needs to be talking about money. It seems through the past decades we've been trained, educated not to talk about money. So the one thing that you have to understand is money is the lifeblood of your business. Now, take these off here. Now, one thing that everybody always asks, and they ask me all the time, no matter where I go, is how do you fund your projects? What is the main source of funding for what you do? Well, from my rehabbing years into my development years, I am always looking for money in many facets. My main facet is the IRA holder, self-directed IRAs, extremely viable for me. And not only are they at the top of my list, but they're very accessible to me at all times. One of the things that I think everyone should get very comfortable with is talking with people that have self-directed IRAs. If they don't have a self-directed IRA, that's okay, because you can then introduce them to a individual that is what they call a custodian of a self-directed IRA company. Now, I network with these people, and they're not allowed to give advice on how that IRA money should be invested. So the one thing I always do that really helps me a lot is I take that individual, whether it was with a company of UDirect or Accuplan or whoever, and I have them hold a wine and cheese party or some kind of gathering where they can invite their list of self-directed IRA holders. So they'll invite them to a location. My location, basically the house that I just renovated or I just built, is where they will invite them to. So they will come at, let's say, 6 p.m. for wine and cheese, and this individual, the custodian, will introduce me as well as themselves in what they offer and how to educate IRA holders in investing their money. So the biggest thing for me has always been, where are they and how many of them can I meet? Well, right now, in my back pocket, if you will, I've got about 21 of them at any given time that have money that they need to deploy because they're investing in real estate in my local market here in San Diego. Well, one of my main IRA holders has well over $1 million and is always looking to deploy that money. So you got to get really comfortable at connecting the two. So the individual that knows the IRA holders, self-directed, as well as the IRA holders themselves, and bringing them together in a room. And then you are the presenter. You are the individual that you're networking. You're in a location, whether it be a open house or whether it be one of your projects or even in an office building's meeting room, if you will. And then you begin to introduce yourself in what you do and how you do what you do and what type of returns you can give that IRA holder. I average, and I always get, well, how much do you offer them? I don't give up the pie. So I always start out somewhere around 8%. So that 8% is much better than anything that they're earning right now. So that 8% is very attractive. Now, if they're very savvy, they may be thinking, well, I can get more from so-and-so. Well, okay, well, if you can offer 10 to 12, maybe even 15 to 18% and still be within your profit margins you want to be, then offer it. But always be talking about money. Always be comfortable talking about money. That's one thing we were never taught as kids. We were never educated in schools of any kind, is how to talk about money. And that, I think, is the most viable piece to everybody's business out there. For me, every day. I'm always looking for money. I'm always talking about money. Tonight, I'll be going to a meeting and I'll be talking about money. And for the most of you out there that are listening to this and watching this, you've got to get very comfortable. You've got to get extremely comfortable talking about your finances and money for your business. And that IRA holder will then begin to believe in you that you can produce the returns that you are talking about. So again, I think the IRA holder is a viable piece to all of your businesses. I hope this helps you. If there's any questions, again, Leo Clark with Crest Investment Group. You can find me on Facebook. I can educate you and help you more on how to get inside and network with IRA holders. So again, look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks again. See ya.
acebusinessfunding.com can help you get access to up to $150,000 in revolving credit lines to fund your business with rates as low as 0% for the first 12 to 18 months. Use the funds for startup costs, marketing, inventory. Heck, you can even use it to buy houses and pay for rehabs or almost anything else that your business needs. If they can't get you funding, you don't pay a dime. Get funds for your business today at acebusinessfunding.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where we host 4 great ongoing shows at FlipNerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes store.